Welcome back to The Law Show. It's The Law Show Extra. I'm attorney Brian Dailey, broadcasting live from high atop the Law Show Studios. It's the National Law Show Studios. Soon we'll be in every single state. We're focusing on Pennsylvania right now. It's The Law Show Extra, answering all your legal questions at 855-529-7469. That's 855-LAW-SHOW. You can also email your questions to questions@thelawshow.com. And boy, oh boy, did the boards just light up. It's incredible. We have 1 million callers coming in right now. It's The Law Show Extra. And we're going to go to the phones right now. We're going to talk to Jeff. Jeff, you're on The Law Show Extra.
Hello. Thank you for taking my call.
You're welcome. What can I do for you?
I am in Chicagoland area.
Yes.
And I'm concerned about the safety of my family. I don't know if you're familiar with the Tinley Part 5 where they went in and attacked people in the...
Hello? Jeff, are you on the line? Jeff? Jeff, if something happened, you just dropped off, so call me back, 855-LAW-SHOW. We're going to continue answering all your legal questions at 855-529-7469, and we're going to talk to the next caller. Here is the next caller. Welcome to The Law Show.
Hello.
Hi, what can I do for you?
I'm calling from Illinois, and I have a child support order from a divorce that I received that I got in Florida.
Okay.
But we're currently living in Illinois. Never collected a dime.
Yes.
My son is now 26 years old, but my ex is collecting Social Security. I'm wondering if I would be able to go after his Social Security.
No, I don't think you can go after Social Security. It's usually exempt from collection of any type whatsoever, but it doesn't mean that you're out of luck. You can still go after him.
Even child support?
Yep, even child support. That's because the government wants Social Security to be there for somebody's care and keep so that they don't have to, go on the government rolls. And so that's really the way it is. I wish I could help you out with that, but I'm certain that I can help you out with other things. You could still pursue your ex. Does he have anything at all, any assets of any type?
We don't even know where he's at.
Okay, well, here's your first step. First of all, what's the amount? Add it all up.
It was $300 a month, and this was back in 1991, and I received a total of $100.
Okay, so $300 a month. That's $3,600 a year. How many years did you?
Since 91.
Well,
so it's 11 years.
When did your son turn 18?
He was born in 85.
So 95, 2005. So
2003.
2003. So 91. When was it?
2003.
When did you get your judgment?
In 91.
In 91, but he was born in 95 or 85?
No, my son was born in 85.
All right, so 91 to 2001, that's 10 years. That's 12 years times $3,600. That's worth pursuing. But you first of all have to figure out if he's got anything. So spend a little money, hire an investigator, and have an asset check done. Maybe he's got a nice truck or a nice boat, or maybe he's got some artwork. Who knows what he's got? You got to find him. It'll probably cost you $1,000 to $1,500 to figure out where he is and find out what assets he's got. You probably have information that would be helpful in shortening that time up. So I would definitely recommend pursuing it.
Yeah. Okay, so start with the private investigator.
Right, but you want to get just any private investigator. You want to get one that's worked with a lawyer, knows what to do, knows how to handle things, okay? If you need some help on this, call Deborah Crane or Brian Russell in my Chicago office, and they'll take good care of you, okay?
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you for calling the Law Show. We're going to continue answering all your legal questions on 855-529-7469 on the Law Show Extra. We're going to talk to Dan now. Dan, you're on the Law Show.
Hi, good morning. Thanks for taking my call.
You're welcome. What can I do for you?
I was recently, I changed jobs, and it was a job where I earned salary,
Yep.
plus bonus, and I am not getting my final check from the company, and I do have reporting showing what, what my bonus should have been, but they're not paying me out. They're saying that my numbers are wrong. I'm actually using their reports to show what it is I should be earning. Now I can't get a return phone call.
What's the total amount they owe you?
Probably around $800 to $1,000.
Okay. Call the Illinois State Board of Labor and make a complaint.
Okay.
And there's a lot of sanctions available if they are found to be responsible. So, did you find another job?
I did, yes.
Good for you. Well, listen, I appreciate you calling. And have you heard the show before? Or you just decided to call, or you just heard it today?
No, just heard it today and decided to call. I think it's a great show, and I appreciate your time.
Well, thank you very much for calling. And remember, we're available to help you with all kinds of other matters. We do all kinds of litigation and all kinds of other cases. Please call us when you need us, okay?
I will. Thank you.
Thanks for calling the Law Show. And finally, Pat, you're on the Law Show.
Hi, how are you?
Fine. Okay.
I have a situation. My son and daughter-in-law are in the process of getting a divorce.
Yes.
He has been recently awarded custody of the child. She is living in their home, but she's not paying anything toward the mortgage or expenses. And she has recently been fired, probably about 3 months ago, from her job and is on unemployment. So the question that I had was, what about child support in situations like this? And also, what about her potential of getting removed from the home so that my son and the child can go back to living in the home?
So your son was awarded custody.
Yes.
Okay. And how old is the child?
13.
Boy or girl?
Boy.
All right. And your former daughter-in-law is living in the home and is not paying child support.
Right.
But she's unemployed. Is there a child support order in place?
There's going to be, yes.
Okay. Well, until there's an order for child support, she's not required to pay any child support. All right? That's the first thing. If she gets a child support order while she's unemployed, that's going to establish a lower base of child support that she has to pay. And then she goes back and gets another job. Then your son's got to go to court again and say, hey, listen, my ex-wife just got another job, and she should be paying more child support. And then they'll do an analysis, and they'll kick that up. But a lot of times you can't do that for a year until a year expires after the initial entry of the first order for child support. In terms of getting her out of the house, is she an owner of the house?
It's joint.
Yeah, so she's not going to be able. You're not going to be able to evict her from the house.
Okay.
Okay. So what your son?
Does he still need to pay all the mortgage and all the expenses then?
Well, no. I mean, she should be required to pay half of it as long as she's living there, and the court can.
Saying that she can't. Yeah, she's saying at this point that she can't. She can't afford anything.
That doesn't mean that she's not obligated. So, in other words, even if she's not paying, she's still obligated. And if she doesn't pay, she can be sued for the amount of money that she's not paying.
Okay.
Okay?
All right.
Does your son have a good lawyer?
I don't know. I really don't know. I don't know much more about it than just that.
Okay. Well, if your son wants to have a free consultation with Deborah Crane to find out what he needs to know about this case, have him call Deborah Crane, okay?
Okay.
And we'll sit down and talk with him, no charge, and tell him how to handle all these different things. Now, does your former daughter-in-law have rights to visitation?
Yes, I think they're being negotiated at this point.
So they're right in the middle of it.
Yeah.
All right. Well, listen, if we can be of any assistance, you call and let us know, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Thanks for calling the Law Show. Have a great day. This is the Law Show Extra. We are done for today. We'll see you next week. 855-LAW SHOW. That's 855-529-7469. Email your questions to questions@thelawshow.com. And we love you. Bye.